Welcome to this unboxing video. So I bought some used Proxxon equipment and it didn't came in a box, and I had to carry it in that very big backpack because the stuff was quite heavy. And yeah, let's try to get everything out of here in the right order. If I can. Yeah, we have this little part here. And I'm sorry that not everything fits really into the shot. We have this little part here. Or is out of focus a little. We will remedy that in a second. Okay. Yeah. Most important. Yeah. Where do I place that? And finally, yeah, and you do know how I love to buy used Proxxon stuff. That won't even fit into the shot, will it? No, not really. But as I said, I will put it all together. And we have a look at it. So what I have here is the Proxxon milling combo consisting of obviously the milling stand, that's the BFB 2000. Then we have an XY table, that's the KT 150. And we have, of course, the spindle itself, the BFW 40E with external power supply. It's brushed DC spindle running on 40 volts, so you have this external power box here. And just as a size comparison, here on the side I have the MB200 drill stand, not milling stand, just drill stand, and my IBS-E. Now let's have a close-up of each component so you get an idea what the thing can and cannot do. So the KT150XY table, and it will be mounted via T-nuts to the stand, and it's 200 by 200 millimeter, the table that is, so about-ish 8 by 8 inch, and it has a total travel of 6 by 6 inch, completely symmetrical, so 150 by 150 millimeters. And of course you can lock each axis as you desire. There's nothing much to say about the spindle itself. It's, as I said, a BFW 40/E, 250 watts, and between 900 and 6,000 RPM, and that's the sound of 900 RPM, which is, nice. That is not very loud. And if we go to 6,000 RPM, still something that you can do without any ear protection, huh? Yeah, and it can take, has collets up to, yeah, for 6mm shafts, and yeah, of course, it's collet and a collet nut, and down to 2.35mm. So, yeah, absolutely fine for what I intend to do with that thing. And of course, we have that massive BFB 2000 drill and mill stand, so your Z-axis. And yeah, I'm just focusing here on the head to show you what you can do. Of course, you can move it up and down the column, but most importantly, you can use it as kind of a drill stand. But you can also, there's a little lever down here, you can lock that, and then you can use this screw to advance your Z-axis, and one rotation is 2mm, so yeah, you can do some, yeah, a little bit more precise milling. And of course, you can lock the Z-axis here or not. And you have also something, sorry for the shake, yeah, to limit the depth. But you will probably only use that in conjunction with the big lever for drilling, I guess. So, yeah. Then you can adjust here a depth limit. What I found very interesting about that drill stand, and I didn't know that before, you can actually disable the return spring. Now the return spring is completely disabled. That might come in handy for some operations. Anyway, let me put the return spring back on. And of course, yeah, you can also rotate the whole thing around here. Just lose the two screws here and here. And yeah, we are currently at 0 degrees, of course. So that's my latest acquisition of used Proxxon equipment, and there will probably be a separate video for each component where I clean it and, yeah, if necessary, tear it down, refurbish it, adjust it, etc. until I have, yeah, a nice working mill. Yeah, not a big mill, but at least a mill. Till then, bye.